Christmas slime, and we got some glue and activator going on. But this is my Christmas slime, and this is my tinsel. I call it tinsel. I stole the name tinsel from her for the glitter. And then this is the red dots, and also, one sec. So my friend's gonna be showing her, you guys, her Christmas slime now, and let's go to her.
Okay, so I got this like green going on with these little white sparkle things. You can kind of see the like little sparkles. I got some blue going on, some green. We used also paint too.
Okay, so, and this is called the
Boba slime.
As you can see, it's labeled. And guys, we are going to do a part 2 in a sec. So bye guys.